Trixie's reaction to her mommy dog. Trixie, is that your mommy dog, hon? Oh, is that your mommy dog there? That right there is her mommy dog. That's Miracle. That's her mommy dog. Yeah. The sun is shining bad right here. That was Trixie's mommy dog. Yeah. And she's gonna go to a new home. Yes, she is. Trixie's mommy dog is gonna go to a new home. She can't stay with us. Yeah. She keeps looking over there at her. That's Trixie's mommy dog. And her name is Miracle. Yeah. Miracle. I'm kind of sitting in the sun here waiting for it's a rescue dog, place for older dogs. Okay.